Do you see that? Right, morning everyone. So I'm at Cocoa Beach on my final day in Marmaris. I came over to İçmeler from Pasha. Pasha gave me a lift from Adam's Shoes. I came over for a full English breakfast at £4.99. I'm not going to go and sit on the beach in front of I'm not going to go and sit on the beach. I'm going to sit here with Jimmy from Jimmy's Watches and enjoy a full English brekkie. The exchange rate right now here is 63 lira to the pound. Officially online, it's 64.5. Restaurants give their own exchange rate and they take English money. So let's take a look at Cocoa Beach in İçmeler and the £4.99 English breakfast. So we've got beans, 2 eggs, 2 toast, 1 strange looking sausage, lots of mushrooms, a grilled tomato and a slice of bacon. You know, for £4.99 we're in Turkey. I think it's spot on. I'm so thirsty. Oh, I made a mess of that. I think they've maybe deep fried that bacon. But pork is very expensive in Turkey, so to get a full English for a fiver, absolutely no complaints from me. Especially one of the smartest restaurants on İçmeler beachfront. Do you think pop or not?
Not.
Pop or not?
Not.
Not?
No.
Not. I think pop. Gosh, look at that. It's the popper at Cocoa Beach on İçmeler beachfront. So, whilst I eat the rest of the breakfast, then go and visit Jimmy's Watches. I'll see you all in the next video. But we'll go into Jimmy's Watches anyway. We'll see what's what here. We'll have a quick spray because I'm absolutely stinking with how hot it is outside.
Let me have the same one.
You want it? Oh mate, squirt me. That sounded fun.
Ready?
Go on Jimmy lads. How much Jimmy?
It's
Oh.
£20.
How much?
£20.
Sure you cheaper the other day.
Perfect.
Rochelle does like, Jimmy, I'm going to get one of these as well when Rochelle comes back.
Yeah,
How much? 3 for how much?
50.
3 for 50, 20 each. So there's no point in buying one. You might as well get 3 every single time. See if I
Best quality there.
see this on the YouTube version. Look, the lights are flickering. I need to try and end that. See if I can put a stop to that. Take a rave, Jimmy. Take a rave. Go on, Jimmy. Take my job. Go on, lads.
Why not?
Any good, Jimmy, or not? Or look
Let
shit.
me see. No, fine. What do you think, guys?
All right.
Okay, let me show.
Good or not?
Yeah, someone say shit.
Shit. Let's check another pair. What about these ones, like big and bold? Big and bold.
Too small.
Too small
Yeah.
for my fat head.
Yeah, too small. There.
Good or not? What do
No,
you think?
No good.
No good.
Sugar. That one is much better.
So we need bigger ones.
This one.
Swap.
Swap in here. Oh,
Thank you, mate.
better.
Better, you think?
Yes.
Better.
Yeah.
How much?
Bigger than that one. This one only £10.
£10.
Yes, that's it.
8.
10. No haggle, no.
8, Jimmy. 8.
It's already
Come on, I'm getting 3 sprays for 50.
good price.
You know, I always end up getting a watch off him for a good price.
We just
When I'm in İçmeler, Jimmy is the only watch shop in İçmeler that I use. Oh, them lights are going a bit crazy. Right, so for everyone on YouTube, thanks for watching, and this is Jimmy's Watches in İçmeler.
we wanna just